Welcome to this channel. Subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to configure Visual Studio Code for JavaScript and how to run JavaScript code in Visual Studio Code and so on by following the official documentation. First of all, ensure that whether you install Node.js or not in your system. You can check it by this command node dash dash version. If you don't have installed it on your system, please install Node.js first. Let's get started. Visual Studio Code includes built-in JavaScript IntelliSense debugging, formatting, code navigation, refactorings, and many other advanced language features. IntelliSense. IntelliSense shows you intelligent code completion, hover information, and signature information so that you can write code more quickly and correctly. Now test it on your Visual Studio Code. Let's create a directory. Navigate to this directory by cd and now open Visual Studio Code. Now open this project directory on Visual Studio Code. Okay, now create a new file inside this project directory and name it app.js. Okay, now write some code. Okay, now create a file name jsconfig.json inside the root directory of the project. Okay, and copy these lines here. Okay, to check if a JavaScript file is part of JavaScript project, just open the file in Visual Studio Code and run the JavaScript. Just go to project configuration command. Click on the app.js file and then view and command palette, type JavaScript. You will find JavaScript clone. Go to project configuration, click on this and you will see the jsconfig.json file will be open. Okay, JS-doc support. Visual Studio Code understands many standard JS-doc annotations and uses these annotations to provide rich intelligence. You can optionally even use the type information from JS-doc comments to type check your JavaScript. Just type / and double *. Okay, now, now enter type, enter a variable name, okay. You can disable VSCode comment suggestion. You can set this on the settings. Copy this and go to user settings, okay, and paste here, okay. Okay, formatting. Visual Studio Code built-in JavaScript formatter provides basic code formatting with reasonable defaults. The JavaScript format settings configure the built-in formatter. You can disable this by this settings, okay. Copy this line and go to settings.json and paste here and just do this, okay, and then save. Code navigation. Code navigation lets you quickly navigate JavaScript projects. Now create a variable name constant d equal 100 and display this value on console, okay. Now try to code navigate. Just hover on D and press F12, okay, and pick definition. Hover on D and press Ctrl Shift F10, okay. Now go to references using the command Shift plus F12, okay. Rename. Press F2 to rename the symbol under the cursor across your JavaScript project. Press F2 and rename data and hit enter. The D rename with data, okay. Refactoring. Visual Studio Code includes some handy refactoring for JavaScript such as extract function and extract constant. Just select the source code you would like to extract and then click on the light. Select the source code and click on this and extract to inner function in function hello or extract to function in global scope, okay. unused variables and unreachable code. Unused JavaScript code such the else block of an if statement that is always true or an unreferenced import is faded out in the editor. Here, the variable k is unused variable. You can remove unused declaration. Okay, I am going to run this code on Visual Studio Code. Install an extension named Code Runner. Install. Okay, and then open the file that you want to run. Then click on Run Code and you will see the result on console. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share.